At A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos, we offer a seasonal service special. Now that special does run throughout the year, but it changes based upon the season that we're in and the type of weather that we're exhibiting at that time. So the seasonal service special is a fantastic value. It includes your engine oil change, oil filter and drain plug, tire rotation, we check the belts, we check the hoses. We report all this back to you with an electronic report. We'll load test the battery, we'll look at all the lights and fluids. So anytime you're thinking about a road trip or you haven't had the vehicle in for a while or it's been about 5,000 miles or 6 months, this is when you're going to want to do one of those seasonal service specials. So next time you book, go ahead and look at our specials page and you'll see our current special. If you need help getting the vehicle to the shop, we offer a night drop, we offer free pickup and delivery, we offer a courtesy car if you need that as well. So don't be afraid to ask for help. All of that is included in our services. We just look forward to helping you the next time you need your car repaired or serviced at A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos.